A shocking number of Europeans say that you should only be able to fly 4 times a year. No, wait a minute. In your life. That you should be restricted from actually being able to travel. It could be, something where the government says, oh yeah, you should get 4 times. Maybe that's your honeymoon. What is this? That people are actually voting for this? This is crazy. Here we have, this is basically facial recognition. So this guy went to the airport. I think it was in Texas. It was in either Houston or Dallas. And no more passports or boarding passes, all facial recognition. So he goes up to the screen, scans his face. Okay, sir, you're good to go on in. And so this is the world that we're moving into, where more technology is present in our stores. You've probably seen the Amazon store. You just scan your hand and you could go, no problem. So you just put your hand there and you pay. We are going towards a more digital world instead of cash, instead of paper. We've gone far away from what used to back that cash, the gold, the silver. Those things are now, as they say, ancient relics, right? And now even cash is an ancient relic. And I understand. You want something that's convenient. It makes sense, right? But I believe it will be the stores, the retail locations, which are the ones that will push it over the edge. Because the stores will say, and as crime is rising, the stores will say, I don't want cash in this place. We're going to go to a more warehousing model. So you walk in, or maybe you order online, and you speak to the clerk. Everything is behind the counter. You can't get anything. We're seeing this all funneling us towards a new world. One which doesn't really look like 1984, and it doesn't really look like Brave New World, but it's kind of got elements of both of them, and some things even those two didn't even think about.